Hello, people. This is the half Sindhi, half Mallu video, and officially beginning today, I start these product reviews. So, today I'll review this particular product, which is called the Iconic Curling Mascara. Now, the iconic curling mascara by Lakme is special simply since uh, it really makes. I've been using mascaras for easily now. I think around probably like 10 years, 12 years now. Yeah, easily 12 years, 13 years. So of what I found is this iconic Lakme mascara really gives the eyelashes a certain volume, and that is like the true purpose of any sort of mascara. Uh, so anyone out there who wants their eyelashes to look thicker, this is the Lakme iconic curling mascara is what they need to use. So I go with the almost 5-star rating. So it's a beautiful product. So people, just grab this product when you need it, or when if you really want to look nice, and since it's a Lakme product, you are assured of quality. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my video.